Alright, hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you an incredible PDF viewer and editor called SwifDoo PDF, perfect for Windows. The best part? It's super lightweight, so it works great even on low-end PCs. Plus, it has a dark theme for those who prefer that. Now, here's the kicker. You'll also get a free 6-month giveaway license to unlock the full potential of the software. So let's dive right in. First, visit the official SwifDoo website at SwifDoo.com. Once you're there, download the installer from the official site. Run the installer to begin the installation process. Now, create an account using your email address. Then, verify your email. Check your inbox for the confirmation. Next, click on the account option in the top right corner, then select Redeem Key. Now, head over to the official promo page and grab your key. You can use any random or temporary email to claim this offer. Once you have your redeem key, just paste it in the box to activate your license. Alternatively, you can log into your SwifDoo account on SwifDoo.com and redeem the key there in the Redeem section. As for me, I've got a perpetual subscription since I've been adding promo keys to my account since 2022. So what exactly can this tool do? Well, SwifDoo PDF allows you to edit text and images, convert PDFs to other formats like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, merge or split files, and annotate documents with ease. It even has OCR, Optical Character Recognition, for converting scanned PDFs into editable text. Plus, it includes security features like password protection and digital signatures. Whether you're working on personal or professional projects, SwifDoo PDF is designed to make your document tasks way more efficient. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.